Just got done 4 miles, and I think I'm realizing that there are 2 things that I'm not very good at. Stretching and hydrating. I think I'm better at hydrating than stretching, but I think I could do better at both. Both areas need improvement. Alright, so the answer to last night's question about what time do you think it was about the same time it is right now. It's just about 8 p.m., quarter after 8, and it is still super light out. It actually stays light out until about 10:30, which is crazy. So today I'm going to be working on this bad boy. If you can see right there is where I messed up. Sandpaper, putty knife, and yeah, I'm just gonna get started here. My buddy recommended to use 380 grit sandpaper. They didn't have 380 grit, so I'm using 400 grit. Start off, he said, go in a figure 8 motion. So I'm going to do just that. At least give her a shot. Alright, I think scuffed up enough. Really just want to use a little bit of this. Wear gloves. Thoroughly knead putty with fingers to a uniform color. This might even be too much. This is crazy. Alright, that's kind of uniform. Okay, it's starting to kind of stick to my gloves. So let's see if this works. Alright, it's supposed to set in just 5 minutes. But it actually doesn't look half bad. It looks worse up here than it does right here. But I think with the gasket it'll be fine. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to let that set for a little while. And then I'll probably put it all back together tomorrow. The goal is to have this and this kind of cleaned up and put back together by my trip this weekend. Before I go though, I want to show you what happened to my bike. See this right here? Let know if you can see it. That, I don't know if that was part of it, but this definitely was part of what happened when I was taking this out of storage the other day. Alright, for real this time, that's all I have. I hope you have a great night. Enjoyed this video. More to come on the Kawasaki soon. I'll catch you next time, probably tomorrow. Peace.